I am super excited for this part of the project. I've been waiting to put these parts in for over a decade. So I had a 1969 two-door hardtop with no title for a parts car. It had disc brakes on it. So I pulled all those parts out and, parted out the rest of the car. Got a few other things for my car, like the steering column. It was a bucket seat console car, the parts car was, but the bucket seats and console were gone. But it's since it's a console shift, this one doesn't have the shift knob on it, so that'll be good. So anyway, on this episode we're going to try to get all these parts cleaned up. I might not necessarily get them rebuilt yet, but we'll at least do the tear down and clean up. So the first thing we're going to do is try to make our own PB blaster. I've been wanting to try this for a while. I'm supposed to take 1-to-1 acetone ATF. I've got several quarts of this ATF plus 4 left over from the old ZJ. Let's see if this actually works. Alright, so my bottle was cracked. So we got, the acetone plus the ATF plus some scrub-free soap scum remover. Hopefully that doesn't create any issues. Alright, so the calipers are all tore apart. Now I'm going to open up the master cylinder and see how that looks in there. It's probably just a good idea to buy all new master cylinder and brake booster, but I'm going to at least look and see what it looks like inside. I'm all out of sand. Sandblaster's working pretty awesome. Finally fixed my air compressor. Got this, can't really see it in there, but got a big 33-gallon Craftsman air compressor that the fan was broke, so I couldn't use it. Fan was broke a long time, and it was only 15 bucks. I feel kind of dumb, but it's fixed now, so now I've got a higher capacity air compressor, so I can run the Sandblaster. Sandblaster's working awesome. Just this Harbor Freight setup, but it's cleaning up parts pretty good. Gotta get some more sand. So for now, I'll just try to get the grease out of these hubs. I think these calipers are definitely a good candidate for rebuild. There's like no pitting on the pistons. The bore looks really good. So, and the other caliper looks just like this. It's in really great shape. So I'm going to store these with some oil on them to protect them from rust, and then hopefully sometime this winter we'll rebuild them. Alright, so I got one more coat of paint to put on these guys. Got all my parts that need rebuilt in this box, kind of sprayed down with some oil, put in storage. Got the rotors all cleaned up. Alright, so that's a wrap for this video. The Impala project's gonna kind of be put on hold for a little bit while I get the Big Chief ready for North Idaho Mud and Crawl in October. So gonna get these parts all put away until sometime later in the fall, then get started on the Big Chief. Hopefully in the next couple weeks we'll have a special guest subscriber on the channel and check out his Jeep, and maybe try to get a little road trip in the Impala this September, you know, before the snow flies. So anyway, with that, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.